And today, if I talk about last year, 2025, we did 11 exhibitions. So it is coming from my experience straight down, family business. I am responsible for the entire marketing, sales function. I'm heading the entire business. We have to understand that human beings, when we make our purchase decisions, we are very emotional. उस fabricator से आप deal करें जो उस venue को अंदर बाहर से एक एक चीज जानता है. You don't want to get with the fabricator who has never worked in that particular venue. यार हर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इन द फैमिली बिजनेस में जो ज्वाइन करते हैं ना, उन्होंने सबने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि फादर आते हैं एक दिन, वो बोलते हैं बेटा एग्जीबिशन इज अप्रोचिंग, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वर्क सून. एंड दिस हैपेंस मे बी अ मंथ बिफोर और at times even 2 weeks before the exhibition start date. So today I'm going to talk about 5 key points that you have to do, you must take care of to ace the exhibition. Now, this is also for those of you who have been exhibiting. So me personally, if I talk about, being in the automotive business, back when I joined more than 17, 18, 20 years back, we used to do one exhibition in 2 years. Then we started exhibiting also 2 exhibitions in 2 years, which means 1 exhibition in 1 year. And today, if I talk about last year, 2025, we did 11 exhibitions. So it is coming from my experience straight down, family business. I am responsible for the entire marketing, sales function. I am heading the entire business, and exhibition is a crucial part of how to get new business. And that is one aspect of it. एक है new business लाना, एक है कि जो existing business है, existing आपके clientele हैं, existing आपके suppliers हैं, existing आपके customers हैं, अपना existing पूरे network को कैसे at one place, meet, greet, catch up, share updates with them करना. So this is why exhibition matters. Exhibition matters, and this is my first point. A lot of us, when we join the business, we say like exhibition क्यों matter करती है? मैं एक बहुत ही अच्छी website बनाता हूँ, उसमें I will do the best SEO, I'll get the best Google ranking. Why do we need to pay 20, 30, 50 lakh rupees for a 4-day event? So this is where, we have to understand that human beings, when we make our purchase decisions, we are very emotional human beings. Human beings' purchase decisions are made emotionally. Now the website, SEO rankings, Google rankings does get you right on top there. But when it comes to a family business, or when I have to purchase from someone, I like to meet that person. And this is especially fruitful and important if the transaction is of a high volume, of a high amount. I like to meet the person. I like to know who I'm dealing with on the other side of the website. Definitely reputation management. I've had people who I never knew, are doing so much behind the scenes and in their factory, because अभी तक हम सिर्फ उनसे for example एक packaging material ले रहे हैं. And when I met them on the exhibition, I displayed, I looked at their displays, and I found out there's a lot more business volume that we can cater to. So why it is important is because it kind of brings in, it puts a face to the name, it puts a face to the brand, and that's where your team is there, that's where your family is there, and everyone gets to meet and brings in a personal touch. The number one point after you finalize and you've decided यार मेरे को करना है exhibit, your stall location, आपका stall located कहाँ पे है वो matter करता है. अब I will give you the automotive context. In automotive context, अगर हम एक बड़ी exhibition कर रहे हैं तो उसमें different locations होती हैं stalls की, and हर location का एक अलग अलग cluster होता है. For example, टायर्स और उन चीज़ों के एक अलग क्लस्टर होंगे कि ये लोकेशन में सारे व्हील टाइप के लोग होंगे या कंपनीज होंगी. देन एक एक्सेसरीज होंगे, एक्सेसरीज में आपकी म्यूजिक सिस्टम, स्क्रीन, इंफोटेनमेंट, थिंग्स लाइक दैट, उसके अलग एक क्लस्टर होगा स्टॉल का. देन विल बी इंजन कंपोनेंट्स, उसके अलग क्लस्टर होंगे. तो उसमें क्या होता है, व्हेन अ बायर लाइक मी और अ वेरी सीनियर बायर, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट वी आर टारगेटिंग इन एग्जीबिशंस, वी आर लुकिंग एट हाउ टू गेट इन big new customers. When a new customer comes in, they will look specifically what they're looking for. For example, if they're looking for packaging material, they will not go to the tire wala location. Packaging material की अलग एक division है कि यहाँ पे 20, 25, 50 लोग बना ही सिर्फ पैकेजिंग मटेरियल रहे हैं ऑटोमोटिव का, फॉर एग्जांपल. तो मैं अपनी इंडस्ट्री के हिसाब से बात करूँ तो मैं हमेशा कोशिश करता हूँ कि उसी एरिया में रहूँ जहाँ पे मेरे प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेड सारे पार्ट्स, एक्सेसरीज, कंपोनेंट्स वाले लोग हैं. In my particular area would be the motor business, and given I have different other verticals, so we try to display all three verticals in the same stall that we get. So the good location will give you good footfall, good visibility, credibility, and you know at times what happens if you're in a bad location. अब अगर आप A चीज बना रहे हो और आप एक्सेसरीज वाले लोकेशन पे, तो आपको रैंडम विजिटर्स आएंगे जिसका आपके बिजनेस से कुछ लेना देना नहीं. आप फॉर एग्जांपल सीट्स बना रहे हो और आपने अपना स्टॉल लगा दिया फॉर्जिंग में, तो मतलब given in the same exhibition you may have footfall, you may not have footfall. So that's where the exhibition organizers make sure कि यार ये सारे लोग साथ साथ में आए और आपको ये ensure करना है. अगर आप B2C brand हो, you would like कि मेरी you know near the cafeteria, near the entry, near the food court, more stalls, because then you get more footfall, you get more visibility. We are pure B2B, so my strategies may sound at times B2B. Once you've also chosen the stall location, which was point number 2, we will look at the stall fabricator. Now this is very important. We need a stall fabricator who is aware of the venue. Now for example, तो पहले हम करते थे प्रगति मैदान, जो बन गया भारत मंडपम वेन्यू. अब एक और वेन्यू आ गया दिल्ली में जो है यशोभूमि. देन एक वेन्यू है जो ग्रेटर नोएडा में है. तो आप ये करना चाहोगे कि उस फैब्रिकेटर से आप डील करें जो उस वेन्यू को अंदर बाहर से एक एक चीज जानता है. यू डोंट वांट टू गेट विद द फैब्रिकेटर हु हैज नेवर वर्कड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर वेन्यू, because then that would be confusing for that fabricator. एंट्री कहाँ से है, एग्जिट कहाँ से है. हर वेन्यू के अपने I would say do's and don'ts होते हैं, अपने SOPs होते हैं. Now हमारा जो वेंडर है, we are doing this very reliable vendor, you know, for the last I'd say 15 years. And if you would like to know who that company is, you can drop in the comments below and I'll share with you. So this is why the stall fabricator matters. Obviously हम सोचते हैं यार कि क्लीन डिस्प्ले होना चाहिए, ऑर्गेनाइज कंपनी है, मेसी डिस्प्ले होगा तो मेसी ऑपरेशंस होंगे. ऑब्वियसली यू नो दोज आर वेरी वेरी डीप पॉइंट्स. एंड जस्ट फॉर द स्टॉल बूथ कंस्ट्रक्शन ओवर माय 20 years of experience, we have a 153 point checklist. Now that checklist my team goes through say maybe a month before they start working on this particular point, कि उसके अंदर right down to the point कि कितने staplers चाहिए हमें, कितने you know what are the products that needs to be displayed, what are we writing as the title for every product that is displayed. For example, ये Daimler का part है, so we will write अच्छा जी this is Daimler part, this goes in this and this. All of this is pre-defined for me. What are the new products that we are displaying, what are the trainings that we are giving, what is the team that is going, what is the team going to be wearing, what kind of uniform will they be wearing. Each team has also a name tag, visiting card. So we have a dedicated 153 point checklist. And also if you would like that checklist, WhatsApp me 153 in the comments below or in the WhatsApp number that should be in the description below, and we'll get back to you on that. Before I move on to the next 3 points, I would like you to know I am India's #1 business mentor for the next gen in the family business. I deal specifically with challenges for the next gen in the family business. Me, myself, being third generation in the family business, our challenges are different, our life is different, our career trajectory is different. So if you are also a father who's bringing in his son or daughter in the business, or an elder person, maybe uncle who's bringing in their niece, nephew, someone in the business, I specifically work with these two generations. I am the gap, be it conflict resolution, be it growth, be it business strategy. We cover a lot, and if you would like to know more of that also, you can WhatsApp me on the number given below. 10th, one of the most important points here, point number 4 if I'm not wrong, if you're keeping the count right, is for example आपकी 4 दिन की एग्जीबिशन है, तो उसके लिए सारे आपका काम है कॉन्टैक्ट्स को इंश्योर करना कि वो एक सिस्टम हो जिसको मैं बोलता हूँ कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड फॉलो अप सिस्टम, वो सारे मार्क हों. क्योंकि अगर आपका 100 मीटर का स्टॉल है, आपके 6, 7, 8, 10 लोग भी हैं वहाँ पे सेल्स के, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट यू विल फिजिकली गेट टू मीट एवरीवन ड्यूरिंग दोज 4 days. सो यू नीड टू हैव अ सिस्टम इन प्लेस वेयर यू कवर everyone who has visited your stall, be it a 1,000 rupee buyer or a 1 crore rupee buyer. Everyone needs to be having given their contact to you, which is very important. Common mistakes are, people start collecting visitors cards in a bowl and we don't know where the bowl went. End of the day, we have a dedicated visitor manual, visitor notebook, where we classify, identify, be it a wholesaler है, retailer है, dealer है, OEM है, या supplier हैं, so even for suppliers we are making sure कि यार maybe if a key supplier visits and who can help me get much better quality of my raw material, or who can help me improve my pricing, or you just need, that's where the key people come, and the whole point of exhibition is you meet the right people, and in case you miss it, you should have their contact details. And then we have a proper system that goes down ki acha ji, after what happens after the exhibition, which I come to in the next point, which is inviting those who are already in your network. People need to know if you are spending 50 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees or whatever, 5 lakh rupees in an exhibition. People in that region, in that area, your customers, your suppliers, your service providers, family, everyone needs to know कि यार मैं यहाँ पे इस एरिया में इस दिन को एग्जिबिट कर रहा हूँ. सो ये इन्विटेशंस प्रायर, मे बी अ वीक or maybe 3 days prior आपको भेजने चाहिए. What I do is I don't give my name in RSVP because then everyone calls me for the passes and entries. I always do that with my colleague, and he ensures everyone gets through, everyone gets VIP entrances, and there is no hassle for anyone who wants to visit us, be it a customer, supplier, family, anyone. So most family business do not do this well. They rely totally on walk-ins, and उसमें क्या होता है यार कि काफ़ी लोग का बाद में आता है एग्जीबिशन की, यार एग्जीबिशन भी थी तूने बताया नहीं यार. एंड सम सीरियस बायर्स दे डोंट रोम एग्जीबिशन, दे कम स्पेसिफिक कि यार इस नंबर स्टॉल पे मेरे पास 1 घंटा है, इस नंबर स्टॉल पे इतनी देर का मैं टाइम लगा के आऊँगा. They visit planned meetings. So my assistant, in fact, also at times she uses a time blocker where my meetings are scheduled for the entire 4 days. Ki who am I meeting at what time? And this is also a dedicated module that we do take up in our 12-week program. And also, if you're interested in knowing more about that program, DM me projects, or you can just comment projects below. Then comes the last 2 points. One of the most important points is what happens after the exhibition, because the real work starts जब exhibition खत्म हो गई है. अब exhibition खत्म हो गई, आपको debrief करना है अपनी team के साथ, which happens ideally so for example, exhibition finishes on Sunday, so Monday should be the debrief, because that's when everything is fresh to everyone. So I sit everyone in my conference room. This time we were around 18 people in the debrief, and everyone shared what went right, what went wrong, what needs to be improved, certain questions, certain technical questions, certain objections that they faced, and then we address all of that, and that prepares us for the next exhibition. And that brings me to the last point, which is जो आपने debrief करी है, उसके बाद जो आपके पास points आए हैं, जो आपके पास सारे के सारे leads आए हैं, उसको nurture करना, which is called lead nurturing. How to get in touch with the leads, how to ensure that they are reached back, and how to ensure that those are converted. So exhibition is just like a 4-day trailer. The real work starts after the exhibition. Training is another point which I'll take up in the next video. So I have a lot of points to talk about, training of your team, how to make sure everyone is well equipped with what to say and how to say about your products, about your company. So we do all of that. But so far, I would say being a next gen is not just, sitting on the office chair. It is becoming the leader on the exhibition floor. When customers ask tough questions, that's where the employees look for the answers. Ki yaar, और वो answers आप जैसे exhibitions करोगे, you will get more equipped with the answers and to deal with these queries, these objections, these problems. So comment your last exhibition experience, and if you found this video useful, do give it a thumbs up. If you did not like this video, give it a thumbs down. Share it with someone who would like to, or who is exhibiting, or who's about to be exhibiting. And if you would like to reach out for one-to-one mentoring, or you would like to understand about what we do in our projects program, which is a 12-week intense program, WhatsApp me on the number given below. Thanks for watching, guys. Looking forward to see you in person someday. Bye.